Reality check, man, from your device, you know it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. My viewers and my subscribers, it is don't get distracted. This message is all about don't get distracted by the distractors. That's the message. Don't get distracted by the labor rights. Don't get distracted by Andrew Holness and the administration. Don't get distracted, people. Zoom in and stay locked. Keep your eyes on the prize. Keep your ears close to the ground. And don't get distracted. The PMP and Mark Golden is gathering momentum all over Jamaica. I will repeat, the PNP and Mark Golden is gathering momentum all over Jamaica. Everywhere Mark Golden and the PNP go, a pandemonium. It is obvious to see everywhere Mark Golden trod, it is pandemonium. So he was in Montego Bay on a tour last week. He was in Montego Bay on a tour last week. And what take place? What take place, Jamaica? 2 little youth get shot. And after the 2 little youth get shot, we hear them call a state of emergency down in a Montego Bay. And 2 days after that, we hear that 45 bombs scared in 24 hours. My viewers and subscribers, I said, don't get distracted by the distractors. The PMP has a momentum. The PMP is taking over Jamaica by storm. So what they do to suck the oxygen out of the room and bring the attention onto the Jamaica Labour Party. What did they do, Jamaica? What did they do, Jamaica? To suck the oxygen out of the room and bring the attention to the Jamaica Labour Party. What did they do last week, Jamaica? 2 little youth get shot in Montego Bay, in Salt Spring. 45 bombs scared in 24 hours. And they call a state of emergency. And they call a state of emergency. So this message is all about don't get distracted by the distract. This message is all about don't get distracted by the distractors. To bring the attention to them. To suck the oxygen out of the room. And put back the attention on the Jamaica Labour Party. 2 youth get shot. Then call a state of emergency. And you hear 45 bomb threat in 24 hours. So what they are doing, Jamaica, it is called distraction. Distraction, distraction. What they are doing, Jamaica, it is called distraction, distraction, distraction. The question that I'm asking, the question that I'm asking, why would someone target a school with bomb threat? Knowing that, a poor people, they are the school, because of poor people picnic turn up in a classroom that teaching. And who is there to get education? 99% of those kids are poor people picnic. So if you want to send a message, why would you target poor people to send a message to the government? Make it make some sense now, Jamaica. You want to target the government, but you are going to target the innocent, and you are going to target poor people to send a message to the government. Huh? To my knowledge, you would at least get to a police station, get to maybe the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the local government ministry, to the office of the Prime Minister, to the Education Ministry. You would have tried get into one of those places that have statue in the island. You would at least try to get to one of those places to send a serious threat. But why would you target the school, Jamaica? You're going to target the schools where poor people picnic there. The teachers, them that stand up inside of the class teaching these kids are poor people. What can you gain from hurting poor people? What can you gain from hurting poor people? So I want you to look at the target and how they structure it. The only person in Jamaica where they hurt poor people are Andrew Holness. The only person in Jamaica that is hurting poor people is the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. So when you go send bomb scare to our school, where poor people kids are, both for learning and teaching the kids, and you gonna send bomb scare to the school. You know, if you look further, man, and look to who they send it, it is orchestrated by the government. It is orchestrated by the government. All the bomb threat and the bomb scares, our poor people picnic they go. Our poor people there. Oh, none of the bomb threat and the bomb scare, no, they know where no rich people locate. Wanna chat to me, man? Wanna chat to me, man? Oh, none of the bomb scare did not set where the rich people then there. Because it would be to me is the rich people who are oppressing the people of Jamaica and not the poor people. So why would you attack the poor people and not the rich people? So Jamaica, I want you to look into this. Where those bomb threats or bomb alert was made. And where poor people there. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. You understand? Know where the rich people them located. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm just saying, you have to open your eyes and keep your ears close to the ground. It is all about to get you distracted. It is all about to get you distracted. Suck the oxygen from out of the room and bring back the attention onto the Jamaica Labour Party, because the PMP and Mark Golding is taking Jamaica by storm. They are gathering momentum all over the place. Everywhere them go, the place sell off. Everywhere they went, the place sell off. So they was down in Montego Bay on a tour. And you hear 2 kids get shot. Then you hear state of emergency where the leader of the opposition have to call off that tour. So I'm simply saying to you, Jamaica, it is called distraction, distraction, distraction. Why would you targeting the schools with bomb threat when you know that a poor people picnic in at the school to learn, and poor people picnic stand up in at the classroom them they teach? What is there to gain from hurting the poor people kids if that should take place? What is there for you to gain? Because at the end of the day, the kids are not oppressing your life. The kids are not running Jamaica like a dictator. So why would you target the kids? Why would you target the kids? Why would you target the kids? You're looking somewhere to target to send a serious message. Even like the office of the Prime Minister, the Ministry of Local Government, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Ministry of Education, because you want to send a serious message. Or you really want to send a serious message and you are targeting the less fortunate. What kind of message that is sending for you to targeting the less fortunate? I wonder if you know I read between the lines and get where I go. A state of emergency is now back in place. It is destruction, destruction, destruction. You understand what I'm saying? Because it reached to a point, you know sometime in life, vice versa, a man and a woman, you have a good woman and you have a good man. And no care what the man give you gone out there and you gone cheat. No care what the woman, you gone out there and you gone cheat. Until that man say, you know what, I can't take it no more. And me a cut and me a left. When the man decide to left or when the woman they decide to left, now you start beg and bawl because you don't want the man to left. The man no want you again. The woman no want you again because when them when I dedicate them time to you, you never have no time for them. So if you stay in that relationship, you only go get abused and used. This is what is happening to the Jamaican Labour Party now. The Jamaican people they don't want to know. The Jamaican people then tired of you, then done with you. So everything one they try to do now and they try to hold on, you have to get it to no head, brother. You know, so they keep no political rally them and then think and nobody now did the brother. Because the people then done with you. You come like a some worthless man. You understand? The people don't want to know the people them done with you. And you feel forget it. So they try everything for distract. Because you know what you up to. Because you want to you want to postpone the general elections. But my viewers and my subscribers, my fellow Jamaican at home and in the diaspora, talk to your loved ones, family member and friends and tell them to open their eyes, keep their ears to the ground and don't be distracted. It's called distracted, distracted, distracted by the distractors. They have nothing going on for them at this time. The people are through with them. The people done with them. So they are using stuff and method to bring attention back to them. Everything is chaos to bring attention back to them. They are not relevant anymore. They are not relevant anymore. The people done with them. The people don't want them. The people don't want to see them. But they are using scare tactics on the people. So that's the reason why you hear 45 bomb threat in 24 hours. 2 babies were shot in Montego Bay. Now they come out and call states of emergency. These are the things that they are using to shift the focus back on them. They are not relevant. They are not relevant. Open up your eyes. Keep your ears close to the ground. And look what is going on. And it's called distraction, distraction, distraction. Don't get distracted by the distractors because that's all they can do. They have no substance. They have nothing to run on. There is no accomplishment from this administration who is almost there now for 8 years and they cannot run on nothing of substance. So this is the reason why you see them turn to 45 bomb strike in 24 hours. 2 little youth get shot again. They call it states of emergency. That's all they know. That's all they can do because they have nothing of substance to run on. All they are trying to do is have the people living in fear. All they are trying to do is have the people living in fear. That's all they can do because they don't have any accomplishment. They fail, 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 fail. They are a failure. They are a failing administration. There's not one thing can come off the tip of your tongue that they have done since they have been here for the past almost 8 years. So all that they are using is scare tactics and distraction to deflect from the reality of life. And like they are doing something. But my fellow Jamaican, keep your eyes open and keep your ears to the ground. Why would you target the schools? What would you gain? What would you gain hurting poor people pitney? Who is there to learn and poor people pitney who turn up in the class and they teach them? What is there for you to gain to target the poor of the poorest? Who is in the same situation like you are? They don't make the rules. They don't create the laws of Jamaica. They also have to abide by them. When they asked for a raise, they did not get it. The money that was granted for feeding program for the kids, Grace McLean thief it. So what is there for you to gain when you target the kids? The less fortunate of our society. Ask yourself those questions, Jamaica. Why you target the kids? But there is no rich area. The PSOJ business and all, none of those things were targeted by a bank check. Think about it, Jamaica. It's the government behind it. They are trying to get us scared because they don't have anything of substance to run on. So they are trying to get us scared. Don't get distracted by the distractor. Don't get distracted by the distractors. Be well, my people. Remember to stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and share and follow us over YouTube. Touch the notification bell. And whenever you see a video, just be the first to like and share. We have to spread the message. It's few of us fighting for this worthy cause. This worthy cause for one Jamaica that serve all of us. Not for just uptown and downtown. Is there suffering. Heart of love. Heart of love. Heart of love.
Jingo, yeah, from the OQP gang, representing for Aromatic Realistic TV. Yeah, that song, yeah, exclusive, exquisite. Yeah, the end of the string dirty, Aromatic. Hear them a visit. You know what's up? Alright. My heart a burn. Aromatic, show them love without no string attached, and no we concern. Me do say me stubborn and nowadays you just still not learn. But we no go the shark up, we walk the straight and have a road man. Never take the wrong turn. So we fight the fight, stay focused and stand firm. Boy, me put a lot up on my face, but deep inside, you know we still a cry. We all are people, none of us are perfect. At least we try. Oh, love me idiots, me look to the sky and say, God, this is me. Still have life in living colors. Tears full of me eye, on me application. You never deny, this is the word of aromatic. When you reply, hearts are burn. We show them love without no string attached, and now we concerned. Me do say me stubborn and nowadays you just still not learn. But we no go the shark up, we walk the straight and have a road man. Never take the wrong turn. Man, fight the fight, stay focused and stand firm. Wow. Ask a question, what's wrong with mankind? Most people falter 100 times. Be act as if you not here, still me not here in no mind. So now you stand up for yourself and draw the line. Not talk about say jingo, we get carbine. But do a self-severe, see if you can find. If you not accept the truth, tell me how you are go climb. Just purge your ways and refreshing your mind. And in your darkness, your light will shine. Heart a burn. We show them love without no string attached, and now we concerned. Me look say me stubborn and nowadays you just still not learn. But we no go the shark up, we back the straight and have a road man. Never take the wrong turn. Man fight the fight, stay focused and stand firm. Tell me pray for the humble, me pray for the meek, me pray for Jah protect me from the dragon and the beast. Jingo. And a reformer, aka Jingo, yeah, from the OQP Gang, representing for Aromatic Realistic TVs. Yeah, that song, yeah, exclusive, exquisite. Yeah, the end of the string dirty, Aromatic. Hear them a visit. You know what's up? Alright. My heart a burn. Aromatic, show them love without no string attached, and now we concerned. Me do say me stubborn and nowadays you just still not learn.